Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to delete Azure Blueprint. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and here I'll see assigned blueprints. This is my assigned blueprint. So first of all, in the list of assigned blueprints, you have to select the blueprint that you want to unassign and then unassign a blueprint on top of the page. You click on this. You click unassign blueprint. I go to this blueprint. You click on unassigned blueprint. Click on OK. It is removing the blueprint assignment. Successfully, I just click on refresh. No blueprints. You go to blueprints again. You click on blueprint definitions. You select the blueprint that you want to delete and then delete a blueprint. Blueprint deleted. Now if you will go to the resource groups that were created. So this was the resource group that was created with the deployment of that blueprint. So it will not delete the resources, it will just delete the blueprint definition. So I'll make sure that I am deleting the corresponding resources as well. See, deleting the resource group as well. It will delete the resource group.